This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as R32. The guarantee on the brand is very good and includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The PAD4 air conditioners, a part of their Performance Series, has a 13.4 CO2 efficiency and a noise level that is roughly equivalent to a washing machine. The units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil from hail damage. The QuietComfort Series PAR5 models are premium air conditioners that have 2-stage compressors and a 16 CR efficiency, but they are relatively noisy with a 72 decibel sound rating. They have louvered metal panels to protect the coil, which does a much better job than the wire mesh. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.